Sustainability. It's a hot topic, and it gets hotter every year. It's also a frequent used word in corporate speeches. It has the aura of "we do care." Yes, a sustainability statement adds to the company image. But we think there's more to it. It's not a nice to have, it's a need to have. It's an obligation to future generations. That's why we ask ourselves, how green are our Fatboy heroes? The answer is complex, covering the whole supply chain. Where and how are materials sourced? How are the labor conditions? How can we ship more in one container? Simply said, you don't become green overnight. But we're working on it 7 days a week. And we found out that more is less. More FSC certified brown cardboard means less impact than plastic. And more brown cardboards also means less use of chemicals. More vacuum-packed materials means less space during transport. More water, dirt, and UV-resistant materials means less wearing out. More spare parts available means a longer life cycle for our products. And last but not least, more recycled materials means less waste. We use 100% recycled where possible, like 100% recycled fabrics. Otherwise, we use a mix of recycled with other materials. We're proud to say that our red heritage looks greener by the day. And yellow, because we love solar power. Sustainability is a state of mind and a lot of work. But the more we do, the more we can say, a green mind is a joy forever. With that thought, our products and our design, we support the good life. Fatboy. Design with a smile.